Hiya everyone, so today is going to be the Pretty Little Thing advent calendar unboxing. Today we are unboxing the Pretty Little Thing advent calendar. This is what it looks like here. I'm so excited about unboxing this. The Pretty Little Thing advent calendar is one of my favourite advent calendars, normally every year. This year it's costing £48, so I feel like maybe it's went up about £2 or £3. I'm not sure. I have to go back and previously look. So we're just going to unbox it and see whether it's worth it, see if you are willing to get it, see what you think. £48 shared by 24, because it's a 24-day advent calendar by the looks of it. It works out about £2 a day, so it's very budget friendly in that sense. So we're just going to unbox it. So day number 1 is actually here, which you cannot see where it is. All box style, so it makes it quite easy. Right, let's have a look, see what's in day number 1. We have got something from Mario Badescu. It's a hyaluronic dew cream. It's rather small, like, is what it looks like here. And to see the size, I can't see the size, but I've got to think that's got to be a 10 or 15 mil. It looks really small. It doesn't have a scent or anything like that. That is day number 1. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but for £2 I feel like that's not so bad. But I don't think it's enough for you to warrant whether you would know whether you liked it. But if you already knew you liked that product and you wanted a mini for travelling, I feel like that's fab. So that was 1. We want 2, which is down here. We have got, let's see. We have got the Pretty Little Thing branded eyelash curlers. I've never tried any Pretty Little Thing beauty, I don't think. Standard, it's a beauty tool. Majority of us all use them. For £2 you can't complain, to be honest. So that's 2. We want day number 3. Yeah, it feels like there's nothing in it. It feels like there's nothing in it. Alright. We have got some Land of Lashes false lashes, and oh my god, have you seen the craziness of these? Yeah, I've never heard of Land of Lashes. I'm not really a lash person, but yeah, I personally would not wear lashes like that. Yeah, that is madness. But if you wear full lashes like that, then yeah, but not for me. Yeah. Okay, so we're not having the best of starts. So that's day number 3. We want day number 4. Feels very light. We have got the Star Skin Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, I actually like this. I've got this product. I've had this product as well, and I've used it before. It is a nice enough product. Good little day. And I do like them. I think they're fun to do with my niece or something like that. Number 5, which is here. Everything's easy enough to get in and stuff like that. I like how they've got the numbers behind, so if everything falls out, you know kind of where to put them back. I think that's a good thing, because we've had a few that have been laying like that. We have got a Pretty Little Thing dual sharpener. I'm actually really quite happy about this, because I have lost my sharpener, so I did need one. This is another one of them things, a bit like the eyelash curlers, standard beauty product. I don't think whether it's worth £2, though. I don't know how much they're charging on their website for it, but in my opinion, I feel like you could get one of them things from the pound shop. But then again, the pound shop isn't everything isn't a pound these days in the pound shop. But yeah, I needed it, so I'm quite happy with that. But I don't think it's very exciting or anything, you know. Day number 6. If you hear funny noises, my little kitten is actually like being cheeky with my older cat. So we've got day number 6. Right, let's have a look. We have got the Aroma Active Soothing Universal Repair Cream. So it's our second cream. Is this a body cream or face cream? It just says anywhere on the body. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's in a nice foil type tube. I still feel like it's quite small. And again, it's £2 a day. But yeah, I don't know. I just feel like it's a little bit small. That's day number 6. We want day number 7. Which is here. We've got a bigger box, a bit more promising. Let's see. Everything's been wrapped in tissue. We have got the Deep Sleep. Oh my god, this kitten. Deep Sleep Pillow Mist in 5ml. I like this stuff. I feel like, again, it's a little bit small, and it was a larger box and all. Oh God, I'm not having the best of starts. I definitely am not feeling like this is as good as previous years. Hopefully. Right, so we want day number 8. Oh, yeah. We've got a little Cetaphil. This is 29ml, and we've got normal to dry sensitive skin. Now, I'm not actually going to complain about this because this is an under £50 calendar. We got this as one of the days in the ASOS calendar, which was a £95 calendar. This is an under £50 calendar. Yeah, and this is a really good product. My niece loves this product as well, so it's an alright day, but it's not exciting. It's, you know what, day number 9 is down. Yeah. Very light. It's just not really feeling very promising right now. We have got, a peaches and cream product. Right, I'm excited about this. We have got the peaches and cream brush, the PC17 brush. This looks really nice. It feels lovely. Now, I really like peaches and creams brushes. I know a few of the girls I know love peaches and cream brushes. So yeah, that's a good day. That was day number 9. Okay, we want day number 10, which is, yeah, still feels light as anything. We have got a Carmex Vanilla Lip Balm. I'm the biggest fan of vanilla scent, so I'm not going to open this. I probably will give this to Sarah because she is very much a lip balm girl. She uses lip balm every day. Carmex, I think it's very underrated, to be honest. So yeah, that was day number 10. We want day number 11, which is here. Oh, I love the design on this box itself. Like smoky, marbly, really nice. We have got, I don't know what this is. Something in a box. It's got Pretty Thing logo on it. Oh God, no way. It's another pair of crazy lashes. Oh my God. I know Pretty Little Thing is all about the fake tan, false lashes and things like that. But yeah, I think 1 pair of lashes in an advent calendar is enough. I'm a bit gutted about that day, to be honest. That was day number 11. We want day number 12, which is down in the bottom corner. Oh, I made a funny noise there. Right, let's have a look. Bit of a promising size box. Oh, we've got something from Brushworks. We've got the satin scrunchies. Oh, this is exciting. I really do like Brushworks as a brand. I think their stuff's lovely. Oh, these are pretty. A pink and a white. Oh, they've got good firmness in the middle. Oh yeah, I love them. Really like them. That's something I will use, so I'm very happy with them. I love a good scrunchie now. I'm like totally converted back to scrunchies. So that was day number 12. We want day number 13, which is over here. The box. Oh, we've got something from Bondi Sands. I love a bit of Bondi Sands. One of my favourite tanning brands, to be honest. We have got the Pure Self Tanning Drops. What does it say? It says clean, simple, transparent, pure self-tanning drops by Bondi Sands combines our iconic golden glow with skin-loving hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for radiance, and vitamin E for repair. Create a customized glow by mixing our colourless, fragrance-free formula with your favourite moisturiser. So it's basically just like millions of other tanning drops, but this comes in a total different style bottle. I definitely feel like this is worth your £2 a day. So this one you would drop like that, whereas a lot of the ones I've used have been like a glass pipette and you drop. I'm excited about these because I actually use tanning drops quite a lot because I am very pale. So yeah, very excited about that. So that was day number 13. I've got my tanning drops for next year basically. We want to day number 14, which is down in this bottom corner. Oh. Have a look. We have got the Perfect Hair Protecting Hair Treatment. So it's like a hair mask, I'm assuming. Hair mask treatment. Yeah, it says Hair Loss Hero Perfect Hair Protecting at Home Treatment Mask with nourishing argan oil and star ingredients, peppermint and aloe vera to hydrate, strengthen and revive damaged hair. So yeah, I've never heard of this brand. It's something different. I've never seen this, so I'm happy with that day. We want 15, which is here. We have got, oh dearie me, we have got a gua sha. Now I love the colour of this one. It's a Revolution branded one as well. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a really pretty colour. It's just I've got one. I feel like they were very overdone in last year advent calendar, and now we're getting like the last little legs of them basically. I'm not overly excited about this. I said this in the ASOS advent calendar, wasn't it? So yeah, I just feel like we could have had something different. That was 15. That was 15. We want day number 16, which is here, which is, let's have a see. Everything's been wrapped in tissue, which I will give it a plus on. We have got something from Morphe. That's quite exciting. It is the Make It Big Volumizing Mascara. This is what the wand looks like. Yeah, I'm not going to open it because I don't want to open like it and then have only so long to use it. But that is what it looks like there. Very excited. It's just a mini, but I'm still better than some of the days we've had. So I'll take it. And for £2 a day, you know, I feel like that's definitely worth it. So that was day number 16. We want day number 17 up here. We have got just a little random pink sponge. No branding to it or anything like that. Oh, it feels nice though. I really like the feel of it. Assuming maybe this is Pretty Little Thing brand, and that's why it's just like in a random little bag like that. Definitely worth £2 that little day. So that was day number 17. We want day number 18 is down here. I use these, but I feel like these are a bit of a cop-out, to be honest. You can buy these on Shein, on Temu, on Amazon, like loads of these for £1, £2. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you're getting 10. What do you guys think? This is definitely the first, like, proper filler day. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. That's definitely not worth £2. So that was 18. We want day number 19, which is down here. And if I can get away. Day number 19 is quite heavy, so that's giving me like excitedness vibes. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is the Pixie Hyaluronic or the Glow Tonic. It's like the glycolic acid toner, isn't it? But it's in like Hello Kitty style. It's got like a Hello Kitty cap. Oh my god, that is so cute. That is so cute. And look, it's even got like a thing so you can lift that bit up now. And the ones I've had previous times, it's just been like, you know, you just go straight like that. So that is the Hello Kitty Pixie Glow Tonic. That was definitely worth the £2, 100%. Very cute. We want day number 20, which is up here. If this is another pair of lashes, I'll cry. It's not. Thank God it's not. It is a Brushworks triangular sponge. So these like sponge things have been doing their rounds in advent calendars. I feel like they're definitely the thing of the moment, aren't they? This looks really nice. I love Brushworks as a brand. I feel like this is quite a nice material. It's got quite a good little point to get into the corners. Yeah, so I'm happy with that one. 21 is here. Feels very light again. Everything's felt light. Oh dear. Right, let's have a look. Is this a makeup item? Oh, we've got some from Stila. Now that's a good day, isn't it? We've got the Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. Okay, this is in the shade Tiger's Eye. So I feel like that looks like a very dark, almost black, but green. Right, okay, let's have... Oh, it's definitely got a bit of green or darkness into it. If I wore eyeliner, I would love this. I would absolutely love this, but I don't wear eyeliner. What a beautiful day, though. What a beautiful day. If I can find a swatch of it, I'll put it on the screen. I'm not going to swatch it because it just would waste it on me. Beautiful day. I'm actually, if I wore eyeliner, I'd be over the moon. I'm actually chuffed with this day. And anyways, because I'll gift this to my mother-in-law for her birthday. Yeah, so very happy with that day. day number 22, which is here. Got another Carmex product. So I'm more happy with this one because it's the Cherry Carmex, which I will use. It's the tub version well, so it's slightly different, but I feel like one lip balm was enough in the Advent calendar. I just don't feel like I needed another. I mean, it's all right, but I just feel like we need something, you know, we need something to redeem this calendar. So that was 22. We went 23. I suppose the steel eyeliner did a little bit. So we've got 23 here. Let's see. Something exciting. We have got the Project Lip Plump and Fill. Oh, what's this? Oh, it is a Plump and Fill lip liner. I love a good lip liner. Oh, so this is in the shade Chase. Let's have a look because I love stuff like this. Oh, this is right up my street. That is it there. Doesn't have a minty smell or anything that I can smell. I'm very excited about this. I've never heard of this Project Lip brand before, but I'm quite excited about that. Yeah, okay. That's definitely something I will use as well. Definitely something like my cup of tea. 24, the last day. Hopefully something exciting for Christmas Eve. We have got the Plumped Hyaluronic Lip Plumper. We got this last year and my god, it's the most intense lip plumper ever. I'm not sad about it if it's the one I think it is. This definitely got different packaging though, so maybe this is the full size and we got the mini last time. But yeah, it looks very similar. Oh yeah, it smells exactly the same as well. Really like this as a lip plumper, so I'm quite happy to have this again. Oh yeah, it's got that really minty scent, but it is very intense, so if you don't like an intense lip plumper, you will not like this. And that is the Pretty Little Thing Advent Calendar unbox. What did you guys think of it? In my opinion, like, most of the products were alright. And for the £2 worth a day, I feel like most of them were worth it. But I definitely just feel like it was very lackluster, not very exciting, especially compared to previous years. And I just felt like I was just waiting for something. And now I know that we've had a lot of Advent calendars, so that could be the feeling. But with this one, I feel like it wasn't because I've opened a lot of Advent calendars. I feel like it was because it was very lackluster. We didn't get no Barry, we got no eyeshadow, we got no blusher, we got no powders. We got 2 lashes, 2 lip balms, we got 2 kind of lip plumping things. We got a lot of lip things actually. A lot of like tooly things like filler days, but then brow brushes were just really bad. I feel like the highlights of this Advent calendar was the Bondi Sands tanning stuff, the Stila lip liner. They should have made that the last day. And honestly, I feel like that was it for me. I feel like we could have got a tanning mitt, a full size proper tan. I just feel like they really didn't put any thought into it, and whoever made this Advent calendar this year, honestly, they need to get the previous year's people in and get them to do it, because this was like not very good in my opinion. For £48, it's alright. Like the Stila eyeliner was probably what, £17–18 to buy, so you probably are getting your worth, but I just think it's not very exciting in my opinion. So yeah, that is my thought. Maybe because I don't wear lip balm, maybe because I don't wear lashes. But yeah, that is my kind of 2 pence on it. That is my kind of 2 pence on it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video.